all-new RAV4. For those who weren't around in 1996, that name stands for Recreational Activity Vehicle with 4-wheel drive. Looks leagues more substantial than its dowdy, upright predecessor. Growing 0.4 inch wider than before and sporting a wheelbase 1.2 inches longer helps, as do shorter overhangs. Overall length is down 0.2 inch. The long, wide body takes the RAV4 back to the third-generation model's relative aesthetic heights. Literal elevation is achieved by a newly taller ride height, which is more than half an inch farther from the ground than the old RAV4 without penalizing aerodynamics. We particularly like the burlier design elements inspired by Toyota's 4Runner SUV and Tacoma pickup, which include the wide-set front intakes, upright grille, and pumped-out fenders. There is some Jeep compass in the floating roof design, while the overall shape is not dissimilar to the Jeep Cherokee's. Its embrace of a truckier look seems ideally timed to consumers ever more raucous clamoring for such things. The all-new RAV4. For those who weren't around in 1996, that name stands for Recreational Activity Vehicle with 4-wheel drive. Looks leagues more substantial than its dowdy, upright predecessor. Growing 0.4 inch wider than before and sporting a wheelbase 1.2 inches longer helps, as do shorter overhangs. Overall length is down 0.2 inch. The long, wide body takes the RAV4 back to the third-generation model's relative aesthetic heights. Literal elevation is achieved by a newly taller ride height, which is more than half